What's up, y'all? It's the walk-on coach. I just painted this helmet last week. You know that if you watch my last video. I painted it just to wear it for one game, and now I gotta paint it red because our team color is gonna be red. League rules, the helmet has to be red. Thought I was gonna get away with black, but I'm not. So now I have to disassemble this helmet. All you will need is a screwdriver. I do have a cross head in here. I have a flat head, and then I have a head with just a point to get the face mask clips off. Let's get to it. Disassembling the visor first. It's the first clip off the visor. For the first screw, make sure you keep everything together. There's too many little parts, easy to lose. All right. So I'm struggling to get this visor out. So I'm gonna take the mouthpiece and chin strap off. Mouthpiece nice and easy. Now I'm gonna take the pads out. So gotta take these off, as well as the ones for the ear pads. Now we can go ahead and take out the ear pads. Now for this pad here, the one in the front, let's get this face mask out the way first, because there's screws in the back of this Riddell sign right here. All right, so since I'll be face painting or spray painting the mask, face mask too, I need to take these off. But for these, you want to remember or just make sure you know which size was where. These clips are larger than these. So large ones go at the top, smaller ones go at the bottom. Boom, everything is disassembled. And so now I can start the painting process. You see all old paint I have up there. I'm gonna have to put some acetone on that and get that off and start all over. But everything is organized. I'll paint these two. Then I'll just have my clips, screws, chin strap, pads, visor, and everything over here waiting for me. So if you need the helmet assembly video, go to my last post. If you want to stick around and see the end product and how I paint this helmet, stay tuned for the next one.